up? It's Kristen. Today I have another bag review from Luckyfine, and I am super excited. They had sent me 2 bags to review, and one of the bags I've been using since they sent it because I could not wait to get it. So we're just gonna get right into it. With these items, you use a code down below, you'll get 20% off, and the items are already on sale, so I think that's amazing, and they're super high quality. Like I said, if you like these kind of videos, subscribe, and let me know what you think of the bags, if you bought any, and what your opinion is of the bag that you received. I'm gonna let you know on 2 bags that they sent me today, and I will show you on my computer what they look like and the pricing, and you use my code down below, you get 20% off. So if you like these kind of videos, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first bag, which is this one, which I've been using since I received it. It is super adorable. It came with this little tag here and a little thing that I already used for my keys, and it hangs down. So I had taken this little guy off, but he is super cute. So this item is the first bag, and this is called the Fashion Rivet Genuine Leather Backpack. So this is adorable. I've been using it as a crossbody, but it has different hooks, and it came with extra, I guess you can use these as like a backpack or different length. So I'm going to show you different ways to use this. So the first way I have is this way, which I've been using, and I use it kind of as a crossbody bag. And I think this is super adorable. And it has a little thing here, so when you get out of the car, you can pull it up. And you can also use it, let me convert it over for you guys, as a backpack, which I think is amazing as well. If you go to like an amusement park or to the beach or what have you, travel, I think it's super amazing, and it's really easy to convert over. And here are the straps, and you can make it into a backpack, which I think is adorable. So this one is a little bit longer, but you can wear it as a backpack, crossbody. I think it is super cute, very stylish, and I have been loving this. Like I said, I've been using it for the past few weeks. It fits all my stuff. It has an extra zipper in the back, so you can put like your cell phone here or anything super important that you don't want over here. And then inside I have tons of stuff. It has pockets on the side, which clip, I guess they button. I haven't put anything on the side yet, but you probably could put like a water bottle or whatever. But inside, I mean, I have tons of stuff in here. It fits my cell phones, my AirPods, my wallet, my keys, granola bars, hand sanitizer, gum, makeup, everything you can think of. So this bag is $29.99 on the website. Use 20% off. Use my code. You can get it super cheap. It is leather. It is amazing, super stylish. Like I said, I've been using it, and it's so versatile that I've been using it, and I love it. It's amazing. I'm just putting it back to the way I had as I wear it as the crossbody, because for me, that's just easier to use. I love crossbodies, but you do get these extra straps if you want to interchange with it. I think it's super awesome. And I will show you guys the website. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on my computer, but here it is. There's a little glare. And you can check it out, and let me know. I'll put the link down below, and like I said, the code. And this bag is amazing. It's been holding up. It has on the bottoms like these little things. It's been super awesome and very durable. Okay, so the next item I'm going to show you is the pocket crossbody bag, which is more of a canvas material, and it has multiple pockets here. So this one here, I have not used this yet. I'm super excited to use this. It has a little mesh thing here, pocket, where you can use a zipper. You can put change in there. In here, you can put like lipsticks. There's like different compartments, and then it closes over. And then you have this next compartment here, which is adorable. You can stick your cell phone in here. It's big enough for my iPhone Max or just your regular iPhone or your Samsung, whatever. And then inside it is super huge and you can put tons of stuff in there. There's a zipper here and then there is another pocket that is the same size and you can have two separate things and you can use this for anything. I think this is amazing. Like if you want to put snacks in here for your kids, I mean, like little bit of diapers and little wipes, like if you need something small for something super quick, a trip. But I think this is amazing. Let's try it on. It is a crossbody, or you can just wear it regular on the shoulder. But I think it's amazing, super cute, very versatile. I love black. It comes in a bunch of different colors. This is $17.99, and you can use my code down below for 20% off, and I will leave the links. So go over to Luckyfine. I love their purses. They're super amazing and adorable, and they're super durable. Like I said, I've been using that bag for about a few weeks now, and I've gotten so many compliments on it, and it is very nice. So go over to Luckyfine. You guys will not be sorry. Their items are super awesome. I love collaborating with them. Thank you so much, Luckyfine, for sending these bags from me. I can't wait to receive my next set. They're amazing. So go over, check them out. Use my code for 20% off. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Luckyfine, for sponsoring this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.